Hello everyone. Today, we have another amazing course from Udemy for you. If you want to build professional web applications with the Flask framework in Python, this course is exactly what you're looking for. Things you will learn in this course: how to build and deploy web applications using the Flask framework, methods for connecting to databases and managing data with Flask SQL Alchemy, and more. The video is 1.5 hours long, and upon completing the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion. This course has nearly 3,000 students, and with the 70% discount provided by Udemy, the price is approximately €15. However, I want to offer this course to you completely for free, and you will also receive a certificate upon completion. Simply open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com in Google. A link like this will appear for you, allowing you to enter the website. Ensure that what you've typed is exactly like this. Let me know if you'd like any further adjustments. For the course we're talking about, to access the discount coupon, simply click on the link provided. The course page will open, displaying all the course details. Please note that the discount is not permanent, so be sure to check the expiration date. To apply the discount coupon, simply scroll down and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you saw, we can access this course for free through the website gotodiscounts.com and get the price 100% free. However, this discount is not permanent, and only 3 days remain until the discount expires. If you're interested in enrolling in other Udemy courses, you can access them legally and for free, explore other sections of the site, and browse through various categories. Also, head over to the All Discounts section, where you can search for and select the courses you're interested in. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your friends so they too can benefit from these free educational resources. We'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Have an amazing day.